Hello agents, happy to introduce two new bots that we added to our Discord. These are custom developments, so you will not find them anywhere else. If you go to the bottom of our Discord, under the category S893 bots, you will find two important channels. One is called Floor Alerts, the other one is called S893 Commands, where you can test the new bot a little bit and play with it. These bots are currently working through the OpenC API, and the way the API works to recognize certain collections is it uses the OpenC slug. So if you don't know what that is, if you go to OpenC, go to a collection, you look at the URL, the last part of the URL is called a slug. So that's what you need to know in order to use this bot. So if you type the / command and you go to the syndicate icon, you will find all the commands you can do right now. There's not a lot, there's 4 for the time being, but we are developing more pretty soon. So the first one you can use is find slug. If you don't know the name of a collection or the slug of a collection, you can search for it with this command. For example, right now we have a trending collection on IC tools, which is called Riverman. So if I do the query and a search for river, the bot will go on OpenC and find that collection. So it's this one, Riverman. So if I want to use the bot to get like stats on the collection, I can use collection stats. I enter the slug, Riverman, and I will get a overview of the collection. So it will give us the current floor price, it will show the total supply, amount of holders, the 24-hour trading volume, 7-day and 30-day trading volume. Now this is a new collection, so in fact the 24-hour trading stats are quite low, but OpenC does not give more, so don't use this for, I would say, very new or trending, not trending collections is okay, but don't use it for collections that are just minting. But I mean, it's useful to do like a quick reference on projects. The second bot is a bot called Floor Alerts. So again, you start the bot with the / command, you go to syndicate, and then you can actually put in a floor alert. So this will create an alert in the Discord whenever a project goes above or below a certain floor price. So let's take the Riverman example. We've just seen in the other channel that the floor was like 6 cents. So let's just to test the bot, say if the floor goes above 5 cents, I want to get an alert. So I just press enter. This will be stored in the database, and as soon as the collection goes above this floor, the alert will trigger and it will show in the Discord. So currently this is created with you being tagged in a message in this channel. Pretty soon we will add either a DM or maybe a ticket system where a special channel will be created, so only you can see then the channel. So I think this bot runs every minute or so. So in a couple of seconds we should actually see the alert for this collection, and you see it now. So I'm tagged in the message. Alert triggered for Riverman, floor price is 0.64 ETH, above my trigger price of 5 ETH. So you can use this when you're trading and you want to get alerts, either if you want to catch a dip, if a project goes below a certain price, or you want to sell at a profit, if a collection gets a nice increase in price. So currently only floor price alerts are possible. In the future we will look at maybe volume triggers or other triggers, but we will do an AMA with you guys and gather the input from the community. I know that this is already something I would like to have and use a lot of times when I'm actively trading, because typically I get distracted and you don't have the time to 24/7 monitor all the collections just to see when they go above or below a certain price point. So hope you like it. Feel free to test it. Let me know if it works, if you find any bugs, or if you have ideas to improve it. Maybe I'll add a channel, or actually in the general channel you guys are able to put suggestions, remarks, bugs. Any input, any feedback is obviously welcome, so that we can make this one a better bot. Just to show the other possibility, if you go to here, you have a normal floor alert based on a price trigger, but you can also say alert me when the price increases or decreases by a certain percentage. So that's your second opportunity or possibility to save alerts right now. So version 1, I think it works already. We tested it. Obviously we will add more functionality to make this more useful, like maybe private DMs when an alert triggers, or as I said maybe before, we will use a ticketing system where a channel will open that only you will be able to see, because right now these floors or these commands or these alerts are visible for everybody in the server, which is maybe not ideal. It might get lost in the future. We might make this messages that only the person that enters can see, and all the other ones will be hidden. We'll have to see what works best. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. Play with it and give us some feedback. And a big thank you to Salt that built the bot.